Hey guys, what's going on? It's Aaron down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today I have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X for you guys. Now this vehicle comes equipped with LED headlights, and in that front sensor there you do have your adaptive cruise control and of course your forward front collision as well. Now with the Limited X you do have the SRT hood, which has the hood scoops in it of course. Now making your way to the side here, you do have your nice blacked out rims and your blacked out badging all the way down. And in the mirror here, you do have your blind spot protection along with heated mirrors. Now when you put your hand in here, you do notice that you have your keyless entry. And making your way to the inside, you do have full leather and you have heated seats and a heated steering wheel with your 8.4-inch touchscreen display, which also has your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now moving to the inside, you do see your controls for your adaptive cruise control. You have your self-park, your parking sensors, and of course your lane keep as well. Now you can see in the door when you come out here that you got your memory seats for the driver's seat here. And making our way to the back, you do have tons of storage, along with 2 USB ports for charging your phone and a 115-volt plug as well. Now, coming to the back here, you see that you have an electronic liftgate, which also comes in the back of the camera right there. And coming to the inside, you do have tons of space in here, of course, with your 8-inch subwoofer right here as well, with your premium audio sound system, and more storage underneath with a spare tire. Now, if you have any questions about this beautiful Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. And again, guys, it's Aaron with Sherwood Dodge. I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thanks.